Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to remove suggestions from YouTube search bar update. So whenever you click on YouTube and try to search for any videos, you will see all these list of searches you did earlier. So if you want to remove it, you will need to long press all of these and remove one by one. But if you want to just remove it all at once, you will need to go to your Google account. You can go there by clicking on your profile at the bottom right of your screen, and here you need to go to settings, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. There's a gear icon and it will open settings for you. So here you need to click on manage all history under account. So click on that and you will be taken to Google account. So here you will see all the histories and all. You just need to click on this saving your YouTube history. You'll be taken to your YouTube history. You just need to uncheck this option, include your searches on YouTube. So it will ask you if you want to pause. You need to click on pause and done. So if you want to delete all of your history, so I have this option where the YouTube will automatically delete the searches older than this certain time. You can also change that, but you can also delete all the history after you uncheck all of these. So the next time you open your YouTube search, you will no longer find any of your previous searches here. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.